Imagine a world where your Power BI runs at peak efficiency, your data is secure, and every decision is data-driven with confidence. That's what our Power BI Health Metrics delivers. Our Power BI Health Metrics delivers peak performance, security, and actionable insights. With our key metrics, user and data monitoring, data security oversight, cost optimization, and quality control and maintenance, you can maximize your Power BI performance. Power BI Health Metrics give you the insights your organization needs to optimize business resources. Starting with corporate workspace count, you can easily manage and organize workspaces for better collaboration. Then keep an eye on report count to ensure your reports stay relevant and avoid clutter. Activity logs provide detailed monitoring of user activity, perfect for auditing and troubleshooting. Orphan workspaces help clean up unused spaces, ensuring an efficient and organized environment. Next, track Power BI users to see the total number of users, active users, and even identify the most active user, helping you manage licensing and encourage active engagement. Our Power BI Health Metrics and data protection and security help your organization compliant and secure. The data protection checklist safeguards sensitive information, while reports exported and manual files prevent data leaks and errors. Regular data source reviews, gateway checks, and mobile reports ensure accuracy and accessibility, while monitoring report sharing and inactive users' metrics help manage resources and data governance. Maximizing cost efficiency in your business intelligence systems is key to getting the best value for your organization. With 5 critical metrics: annual job failure cost, development cost of inactive reports, annual silo reports cost, and annual LPR maintenance cost, and annual license savings. Take annual license savings, for example. By optimizing your software licenses, you can reduce operational costs. If your organization has 80 inactive users, you could save up to $13,440 annually just by eliminating unused licenses. This way, you're only paying for what you need, keeping your BI environment efficient and cost-effective. Maintaining your reports is crucial for smooth operations and reliable data. With just a simple click, you can access detailed reports of 5 key metrics. Starting with scheduled jobs disabled, you can ensure critical processes are running smoothly and avoid potential failures. Then keep an eye on report failures to maintain data integrity and reliability. Reports to optimize help you identify areas to improve performance and enhance the user experience. Regular report cleanup ensures your system remains efficient and clutter-free. Monitoring active personal reports keeps track of user engagement, ensuring reports are relevant and actively used. Moreover, our Power BI Health Metrics let you explore specific periods by clicking on the trend line or adjusting the slider to set your date range. This gives you flexible control to view the exact data you need. Power BI Health Metrics keep your data running smoothly and securely. At Technology Q, we provide the tools to optimize your BI systems for success.